Wicked advisors. It was the monsoon season and the rain fell heavily. The lion was unable to go out and hunt. As a result, his 3 followers were also starving. The 3 wicked fellows made a plan to let the king himself kill Chitrakarna. In any case, he was not like them. He ate thorns and leaves. The tiger wondered whether this would be possible. Of course it will, said the crow. Hunger will make a person attack even near and dear ones, and the king is hungry. They went to the lion. He asked them if they had found any food, but they all shook their heads sadly. Nothing, my lord, said the crow. How will we live? Said the hungry lion. We can't, my lord, continued the cunning crow, since we will not eat what is available either. Fooling the lion. The lion looked around to see what was available. All he could see was the forest wet with rain and his 3 followers. Chitrakarna was chewing some thorns nearby. What is available here? Asked the king lion. Chitrakarna, whispered the crow, going close to him. The king was indignant. I have given him shelter, and you are asking me to kill him when I have told him he will be safe here? How can I break my promise to him? My lord, said the crow in a very sweet and humble voice. Suppose he offers himself to you, then there can be no harm in your killing him, can there? This made the lion think very hard. He was hungry after all, and what use was a king if he starved to death? So by keeping silent, he agreed to do what the crow and his friends wanted. The grateful camel. The crow spoke loudly so that Chitrakarna might hear him. Sir, I haven't found any food in the forest, though I have searched for so long. Please accept my body as your food now, as I cannot bear to see you hungry. The king lion refused. Then the jackal came up and offered himself as food, and again the king refused. The same thing was repeated with the tiger, and again the lion refused. Chitrakarna had been listening to this, so he dutifully went up to the lion and said, Sir, why don't you eat me? It is the least I can do to repay your kindness to me. The tiger, the jackal, and the crow were waiting for this. The tiger immediately leapt onto him and killed Chitrakarna. The lion and his followers had a feast. So Meghavarna told the king how even a noble lion could be fooled by wicked and cunning words. Living with the enemy. A good man will always think that others also will be as honest as he is, said Meghavarna. That is why he can be fooled easily. King Jewel Plume asked Meghavarna how he had managed to live for so long with his enemy, King Silver Plume, whom he actually thought of as his enemy. Sir, I wished for personal profit. If one has some reason to gain something personally, one will even learn to live with an enemy, replied Meghavarna. Haven't you heard the story of the serpent and the frogs, sir? What's that story? Asked the king. The serpent was willing to carry frogs on his back to gain his ends, replied Meghavarna. The king requested him to tell the story of the serpent and the frogs.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.